Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I had the opportunity to work on this car because the customer was experiencing these problems. So what he says, the car would suddenly lose power and it would not go over 20 miles. So I just experienced that problem right now. This is a 2015 Ford F-150 with the 2.7 EcoBoost, and I have my scanner right here. So as you can see, I'm checking, actually diagnosing what's going on with this car. And right now it's shaking, so it feels like rough idle. And let's see what codes we get right here. All right. So the customer came to the shop and he said that this thing happened like twice already, and I couldn't figure it out what was causing the problem. So I pulled the scanner and I got codes for the throttle body, for a coolant pump issue, and also for the what is it called, the anti-lock brakes. But looks like it's gonna be the throttle because I'm accelerating and there's no response, as you can see. So I've seen many videos online about this problem, so I'm gonna try and diagnose the problem and tell you what's the fix. Okay, so we see here that the throttle actuator is stuck open, so the throttle body is gonna be pretty much the problem on this car. So we're gonna go ahead and change the throttle body. So what I'm gonna do right now is just gonna turn it off, I'm gonna turn on, and I'm gonna erase the codes. Okay, erasing the codes erased, and it should be good again. All right, so let's see. All right, so I can accelerate now. So it looks like the throttle is getting stuck on this truck, and that's causing the whole problem with the stability, the hill descending, and all those problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to change the throttle body, and let's jump right into it. All right, let's go.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life
Alright, so also as you can see, I read the modules, all of them, and all of them pass. So before, when I cleared the codes, I was getting really fast codes about the anti-lock brakes. It was saying that invalid response from the power control module, but that's gone after I installed the throttle body, and it's looking pretty good, so it's doing great. Alright guys, so I've been driving the car for a while, and as you can see, I've driven like probably 20 miles on this truck already, and the problem is gone. I don't have any problems anymore. I don't see the lights anymore, so I would call this problem fixed. And this is how you fix the problem on this 2015 F-150. This one has a 2.7 EcoBoost, but I've seen the problem happen also on the 3.5s. So I would call it a job well done. And right now what I'm gonna do is take this car to the customer, and I hope he gets happy for it, because he was going to different shops and they couldn't figure it out what was causing the problem. So this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the useful information about this car, because sometimes it's really difficult to diagnose a car that it has a problem, not too constant, like explain it, like not all the time happening. So this was only happening once in a while, it wasn't doing it all the time. So that's why they came to us, and thankfully I could figure it out when it was failing. Like I showed you in the early beginning, I put the scanner in, and I was watching the data and also the first code that was appearing, and it was for the throttle body. So I hope you liked the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment down below, and turn on the notifications, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.